Hey Bill, this is Steve Dahl, and the 19 silver QX50 just came onto the lot. Oh my, it is sharp. It's got that dark roof because it's got the panoramic sunroof to it. Looking all the way around, this silver looks great. Coming all the way around, I'm going to show you the back seat. Here is that tan with dark black contrast interior. Of course, it's got the tri-zone climate control as well as the extra plug in the back, and then your USB in the event that you happen to have anybody in the back there. Listen to those doors. Of course, all your power controls. Your warnings, your parking assist, your lights, fog lights, tail lamp, heated steering wheel. And the controls. Of course, it has the forward prediction, collision prevention, the lane blind spot, and the lane assist. And the dual display, which is not on the 2017. So this gives you the map or the camera. And then of course all the climate controls on the bottom display that we looked at yesterday. And coming on down here to your park and your drive mode selector and your gear shift. And then of course all of the controls up here, and the sunroof, moonroof. Wanted to show this to you. I'm not sure what your schedule actually looks like for the rest of the afternoon. I know you thought you were booked, but I'd really hate for you to miss out on this one. If you are interested, give me a call.